Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to create a template in Asana. So this is a huge time saver if you work on similar projects regularly. So simply start by creating a project the way you normally would. Add all the tasks, subtasks, sections and due dates that you want to keep consistent. And once your project is set up the way you like, you can then save it as a template. So this means the next time you start a project, you don't actually have to build it from scratch. You just pick your template and everything will be ready to go. So templates are really perfect for standardizing workflows, keeping your team organized, and even onboarding new team members faster. You can also update a template anytime, so if your process changes, you don't actually have to redo old projects. So using templates can really cut down on repetitive work and make sure nothing gets missed, especially on bigger projects with multiple team members. So that's it. So once you've got your template, you can reuse it over and over, making your workflow smoother and your projects way easier to manage. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.